Hello, I'm going to show you the new flexible shift feature in MUR-Terminal. We can see we have these new buttons, Start Shift and Stop Shift. We also can show the shift in MUR-Terminal like this. And the first scenario I'm going to demonstrate is where you don't have any shifts planned before. So I will choose Start Shift and select what type of shift I want to start. In this case I'm starting the morning shift. The shift is added with a length of 12 hours, and this allows you to stop the shift within this time and sometime afterwards. So now time goes and we are done with the shift. I choose Stop Shift. I choose the current shift being stopped. Now if we aren't inside the shift anymore and we want to extend the length, we can choose Stop Shift again, and we choose the previous shift that we want to extend, in this case 50 minutes. And now we can also start the next shift, which I'm going to choose afternoon. Right now you see two of the same here. It's because the first option is the previous shift. In case you want to start and stop one shift several times, the first option is always the type of the previous shift. But this time I'm going to start the afternoon shift, which again we see 12 hours. In the next scenario I'm going to show how to work where you have already scheduled shifts. So in the first example we have a morning and afternoon shift, and we're going to start the morning shift a bit early. So I choose Start Shift, and now we choose to start the next shift 9 minutes early. This time indication is only for information, so you have an idea that you're choosing the right shift. In the other scenario we might start a bit late. In this case the scheduled shift has already started, but we still choose Start Shift, and this time we choose to start the current shift a bit later. Now time goes to the end of the morning shift, and now we can choose to either stop the morning shift or start the afternoon shift. If we stop the morning shift, we choose Stop Shift and choose the current shift to be stopped. As time goes by, we want to start the next shift. We choose Start Shift and start afternoon shift. Now in case another scenario we're going to switch shifts. So we want to switch directly from morning to afternoon. In this case we choose Start Shift and choose to start the next shift early. This will change the end of the morning shift and the start of the afternoon shift. Similarly, if we have run over into the next shift, we want to signal the end of the morning shift. That's when we choose Stop Shift and choose to extend the morning shift 50 minutes. You can see both shifts are moved.